It was nonsense. We ended using this, and we started with the.
Okay. So the big incentive for having a distributed black box instead of a central one and duplicating in the car, using, for example, solid-state disks and things like that, is still reliability or availability of the data after crash, or is more than that? Because I can imagine a completely different approach. A small device based on solid, like a flash memory or something like that, duplicated because it produces millions, the car industry produces millions, so it will be cheap, and so each car could have its own black box, not distributed, just redundant stuff. So the big advantage of this kind of application is what? Because there are other things in addition to availability of data that could be also used, attached to this, or even so it is more reliable than centralized.
There's also...
Don't worry if you don't have a good answer, because
one thing to answer this question. It also leverage the mobility of the nodes to distribute the data geographically.
Yeah.
So, which is it's not the case if you store only locally. I mean, it makes also sense to distribute your data where you are.
It's a locality principle.
Look, from the point of view of demo concerning the goal of the project, my question is irrelevant, because you could say, well, this is, we are not saying that this application is a good application to have in the field. It's just a good application for the demonstration of what can be done in this kind of environment. So I'm perfectly fine with that. But I'm wondering about the real application of this.